Throughout the classic car world, certain vehicles have reigned supreme. Loved by collectors and enthusiasts alike, these cars have passed from myth into legend, idolised by petrol heads all over the world. One such classic is the Jaguar E-Type, and Bridge Classic Cars want to give you the chance of winning this very car, our freshly restored 1968 Jaguar E-Type Series 1.5. This iconic piece of automotive design was once dubbed the most beautiful car in the world by the great Enzo Ferrari. With stunning blue paintwork complemented by red leather interior, this Series 1.5 has been lovingly restored by the Bridge Classic Cars technicians to retain its classic good looks and timeless charm. With a 4.2-litre straight-six engine mated to an automatic gearbox, our 1968 Jaguar E-Type is ready to take centre stage at a local car show or take you on that dream road trip. You can enter the draw to win this iconic classic at the discounted launch price of £17.50 on the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website. Good luck!